Hi guys, this is the first video of FIB project. So the first day I did various things and I came up with all these searches. That's what we will use in our FIP project, that is Railway Information and Reservation System. Let's just talk about front end first. Or yeah, okay. Let's just talk about the front end first. We all know our project is made of web architecture, so we know core components will be HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's just sort it. After that, we will need jQuery. We will need Bootstrap, or to make it more familiar, we can say that we will need Bootstrap Studio. It is just an IDE that can facilitate you without coding. And then we will use Angular, or it's up to you whether you use Angular or Knockout. I will explain this all one by one. What are these and how will we gonna utilize this all? Then there's Angular material, there's React and Redux. I won't discuss it right now. And then as a backend, we got a Laravel, a framework, we got PHP core, we got MySQL, and we got server-sided routing, or we can say server-sided JavaScript, which is Node. There's another part which you might even think that if you want to achieve without Laravel, you want to achieve this PHP and MySQL coding without this Laravel, then what are you gonna do on PHP? So it's for that purpose, and it's I'm not concerning with this, but I will tell you how you can achieve this if you are on core PHP programming and MySQL. Then there's a software architecture. As I dig a lot, my whole day just went for these things. So what architecture should we use? There's MVC, there is MVVM, there is MVP. It's just mess. I even try to solve the mystery of our project because these patterns were not fitting so much in this information and reservation, because we want to optimize our application in every way. So first of all, we need to decide what would be the architecture of this application. Without that, the whole application will be a mess at the end. Even if we deserve, sorry, even if we achieve all this, but we need an architecture. We need a correctness of architecture. So I tried to alter it, and what I think now it's not working. So what I tried to do is I altered two architectures, MVC and MVVM, to make it one. But I'm failed. I'm seriously failed. So I want you people to search it. I want you people to dig out more and solve the mystery if it can be solved. Or even if you fail, then there is another solution. That's handy, and that's the traditional one which is used. That is the MVC for the backend and the MVVM for the front end. Rather than making it one and altering it so much, it's better than using two frameworks, that is MVVM and MVC. The MVC will be used by Laravel, and MVVM will be used by the Angular and the React and Redux and the Node. Now what I mean, from all this. Let's just explain it one by one. When I said about the front end, I talked about the HTML, CSS, and JS, and I assume that you people know about these three things. These three things are the client side technology for viewing the data. Now, jQuery is also a part of the client. Uh, let me write it here. For client, Bootstrap is also for client. That's how gonna we send our data to browser. HTML is for browser, CSS is for browser, JS is for browser. jQuery will advance our view. The Bootstrap will make it responsive. So there are two ways. There are two ways to make it responsive. Either using a media query, which will lead us to write extra style sheets, extra CSS files, and another one is obviously Bootstrap. I found this one easy, but we will see what we will use. There's another thing then the Angular. The Angular is the most important thing for this application, for this whole railway reservation application. Uh, Let me just demonstrate you what Angular actually is. If I go to the drive.google.com. Now you can see the application is starting. There is there was some loading panel, and you can see this whole page is loaded up. Now how is gonna be Angular? Uh, if I click on AI resources, now I'm going back. Now if I click on Fall 2000, I click on DBMS Lab. You can see the pages are changing so rapidly without even noticed. I opened it. Let me just preview it. Okay, it won't let me preview. You can see it's working without even loading a single time. So what is this actually doing? It is a single page web application which got a two-way data binding. There comes an MVVM which I was talking about. So this is a single page website. When I click on any folder, it means I'm changing my web page, and even I'm changing my web page, this don't get reload again. Like click on the AI project. I'm clicking every time on a new folder, but it's not reloading. That's what Angular does for us. That's why we use Angular as I'm writing it here. Uh, Single page web application which will be responsive by Bootstrap.